barn.
Maybe in like one of your videos, you just have me in most of it.
You want to be the star of the show?
Well, maybe in just one of the videos I'll be in most of it.
You can be in this one. And we went up and threw tomahawks earlier, didn't we, Jens?
Yeah, let's put this.
This is going to be part of the tomahawk video.
Okay.
Yeah. I have before, but
This is gonna be wild.
They both went upside
You got stuck in the tree.
Did it?
Maybe not. Maybe it fell.
Did you see it, Snitch? Yes.
What's the duck's name?
Stripes. What do you think, Stripes? Stars and stripes. There's 2 little chickens. Yes. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Man, Brady, what do you think about being here on the North Platte River? This is like a real old growing up times, isn't it?
Yes, it's yellow flower season here in Nebraska, so they're blooming everywhere.
Very pretty.
Very pretty. Jordan usually makes bouquets and stuff.
I do. Still floating the river out here. There's some folks over there in the horse tanks. That is what Nebraska river floating is all about, is the horse tanks. Having a good time on my snake raft. Brady's over there with his fine contraption. Did you bring any lunch over there too, Brady, or just beverages?
What's that?
Did you bring any lunch or just beverages?
Yeah, just beverages.
Just beverages? Oh, there's Jens. He's the captain of the ship. What do you think, Jens? You like that kayak? Yeah. It's pretty cool, huh?
Should have brought some cantaloupe, huh?
Perhaps some jelly sandwiches.